So today we are joined in the studio by three creative forces behind one of the most anticipated stage production this year, Perempuan Punya Cerita, a new musical that brings the voices and struggles of Indonesian women to life. First, we have Alim Studio, the producer behind this production. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you for joining us in such early hours.
Yes. Thank you for inviting us.
Of course, it's our pleasure. Also joining us is the director of the musical, Ken Samsara Aji Siwi. Hello. Good to see you again. And completing the trio is the multi-talented Ken Nala Amrita, one of the lead cast members who plays Anya and also serves as co-producer.
Yeah.
Wow. Now let's welcome all to the studio and start talking about the musical that we're about to see in September, Perempuan Punya Cerita.
Absolutely. Let's begin with Pak Alim Studio.
Yes.
Yes.
Tell us a bit more about the musical. What inspires you to produce for this musical, Perempuan Punya Cerita? So there's two musicals in it, I understand.
Yes. I think this is the first time for Indonesia to have a like what we call musical anthology. Like in one musical there is two stories.
There's two different stories.
Two different stories.
And actually two different musicals as well.
Yes.
Back to back.
Yes, back to back. Then, but have the same theme about the women
Struggles.
Yeah, women struggles in Indonesia.
Okay. So the first, that's okay.
That's okay, yes.
The first story, the first musical, it's titled Cerita Anya.
Anya.
Okay.
So actually we performed these musicals in Festival Musical Indonesia before for 2 years. So and it's a huge success and everybody like very well appreciated the musical. So we think that why don't we try to rerun it again, re-show it again, and we think Indonesia needs right now maybe needs some strong stories with musicals. Productions.
That sounds amazing.
Yeah.
That sounds amazing. So there's two stories back to back. The first one is Cerita Anya, which tells the struggles of, I would say, a young person in high school?
Yes, a young person in high school.
And it's, I heard it's actually a horror musical.
Yeah, a horror musical.
Musical. Yeah, so it's quite scary, but it's musical.
Yeah.
And then the other one is inspired from the film by Nia Dinata.
Yes.
Which it's titled Cerita Jami, which is about trafficking.
Human trafficking. Child trafficking.
Child trafficking.
I mean, that's interesting to adapt from film to stage.
Yes.
What were the challenges and what prompted you in the beginning to take this film and make it into a stage musical?
I think the challenge, the director, she's the one responsible for the challenge. Because it's different media between the films and the stage. And I think Ara Aji Siwi and of course I've seen it and she nails it. I mean, like,
Thanks so much. Amazing.
She did it amazing.
Thank you so much.
Is the director and star of the musical as well. For Cerita Anya, both of you are playing lead roles, and you are the director and you are a co-producer.
Yes.
As a director, what's the challenge for you to do a back-to-back two musicals? And I heard there's a lot of new elements in it, new songs, several new casts as well. How did you deal with the two musicals?
It's very challenging because it's very different. The first story is for the younger generation. It's school, so it's like high school. So think like 13 Reasons Why.
Right.
And the second story is very. It's about. The point is about the mother and daughter.
Right.
So set in a
rural area of Jakarta.
Yeah.
So Cerita Jami. So there's two musicals, Cerita Anya and Cerita Jami.
Cerita Jami. So it's very different, and every time we rehearse is like we're going to the same studio but very different vibes.
Yeah,
Right? You feel that?
I can imagine.
Yeah, you're also in both of the musicals.
That's true.
Amazing.
I'm happy to let you know that I'm lucky enough to be a part of these two musicals with very talented people from Eki Dance Company. So you are Jami from Cerita Jami.
I'm Jami.
And your sister here is
Anya from Cerita Anya. So I'm Jami and I'm Farah in Cerita Anya. So Farah is like the mean girl.
The mean girl.
The mean girl, the one who bullies everyone basically. Ceritanya is about bullying, right? So I'm like the queen of bullying. In ceritanya,
You play the villain there.
the villain, yeah. But in Cerita Jami, I'm the victim.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm the mother who's actually not ready to have a child, like because in that world, people, I don't know, like I think a lot of people are like in situations and circumstances that they don't really want to be. And Nala is Cici. She's a dangdut singer.
A dangdut singer.
Who's actually I think she's the bully in the story. She's the villain of the story.
Wow.
So we switch roles.
Playing two
So
sides
most-
of the coin.
Yeah, most of them are play two
No,
characters.
only 3 of us play 2 characters.
Yeah.
Me, Nala, and
And
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I almost forgot about that. I play 2 characters as well.
Yeah.
What do I play in this musical?
that's an amazing question. You should answer it yourself.
Does it feel schizophrenic for the both of you to be playing 2 characters back to back like
Yes.
that?
How is it
I
like?
mean, different singing, different characters,
Yeah, different singing.
different singing, different characters.
different gesture, different
Yeah, yeah,
movement.
Yeah, exactly.
So actually, it helps to have other people that don't play 2 characters.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so we have Gary Gerardo and Tan, who only plays in Cerita
amazing
Anya.
actors as
2
well.
amazing
Amazing
actors
actors.
as well. So they will help us to get into those characters.
Oh.
And then we have Gabriel Harfianto also, who only plays in Cerita Jami
As Bang Mansur.
as Bang Mansur.
One of the villain
yeah,
as well.
So we rely on them a lot to get into.
So they cannot rely on you then.
I'm in the same boat with the 2 characters. That's not for everybody.
Who do you play, Uli? Who do
Yeah,
you play?
please tell us
I
more.
play
Uli.
from Ceritanya. I play Pak Topan, right?
Yes.
A teacher,
Teacher,
a
okay.
teacher who teaches in poetry,
Bahasa
Yeah,
Indonesia
yeah.
yang
Indonesian
poetry.
language and
Sastra
poetry,
Indonesia.
who has the ability to see ghosts.
Yeah.
Yes, you do. Yeah.
Wow, very complex
Teacher
ya
with a
character.
sixth
Very,
sense.
very complex character. Quite hard to get into. A lot of research.
Okay.
You know.
Amazing.
Indigo teacher.
And the second character.
And the second one is Bang Yayat.
Yeah.
Kang
Okay.
Yayat.
Kang
Yayat.
Which is the manager of
Trio Dakdikdue.
the Dangdut trio.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
Also, he plays the organ.
Organ tunggal, ya. Organ
Yeah,
tunggal.
the single organ.
So you
One
play,
man
Like the spleen.
so he play yourself, yeah, Uli. So you play you.
That's so far away. I'm a news presenter. Can you tell? What are you talking about? So back to these 3 amazing things, the forces.
Yes.
Palim Sidio, tell
Yes.
us what's the challenge now to produce 2 different musicals, and then also I heard the venue is also not the same as the venue that you use to perform as well.
Yeah. Right now we perform in Geraha Bakti Budaya Taman Ismail juga. Actually, it's the first time for. I mean, like after they renovated the buildings, this is the first time for
Eki is
Eki
perform, yeah.
to perform there.
Okay.
So it's actually challenging because usually we play in Ciputra Planner. We already know the venue. I mean, this one is totally new.
New
for
playground
us.
for
New
you.
playground for us. I mean, the lighting, the sounds.
Okay.
So it's a challenge for us also.
Okay. Now, how about the directing? I mean, you talk about the challenges in acting,
Yeah.
different roles, but directing is, of course, another big challenge that you need to come up with. So, how do you go about it? I mean, technically, emotionally, what's your biggest focus in directing?
Thankfully, we've done this performance before. So 2 years ago, we did Cerita Anya, basically, which is, we called it Bangku Kosong. And last year we performed Perempuan Punya Cerita, which is now Cerita Jami.
Okay.
So thankfully, both of the shows have been performed and it has been tested.
So, cerita Anya is Bangku Kosong.
Yeah.
It's Bangku
Yes.
Kosong.
It's Bangku Kosong.
But new
Okay.
songs, new story basically.
Yeah.
So, people who've watched Bangku Kosong, they can
They can
watch
watch
it
it.
again. It's a completely
It's
different
a-
show.
But honestly, Cerita Jami, we changed some of the ending, but the beginning is the same.
different ending.
Different ending. Yeah.
Okay, why did you decide a different ending?
Because I wasn't pleased with the ending. so we made it. We hopefully made it better.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So that's the thing I'm thankful for. So we just remembered but what are the challenges? Yeah, for
Keeping
Direction.
track of the progress.
keeping track of the progress.
So many
Yeah.
things to do in so,
So
little
many things to
time.
do. Yeah, so little time.
Yeah.
So you guys must have like a system, like a whiteboard with
Yes.
all the writings on it.
Yeah, you've seen it, right?
Yeah, I saw that in the office. They have like a huge. They have a whiteboard with a lot of columns and hours and things that needs to be done in the short time period. So, as a co-producer, can you tell us also who are involved in this musical as well? I mean, the music is by Oni Krisnarwinto.
Krisnarwinto.
And then who else?
And then the
Artistic
artistic
director?
director is Iskandar Ludin.
Mas Is.
Mas
Is.
Is.
Okay.
Mas Is. And then the script writer is Ara.
Ara Hisui.
Ara herself. And then there's gonna be Geri Gerardo,
Geri Gerardo.
playing, and Tan Hadian, the newcomer, and Gabriel Harfianto as Bang Mansur.
Gabriel Harfianto, the singer,
The
and
singer.
the actor,
Yeah,
is
yeah,
in it
yeah.
as well.
He's in it as well.
The
and-
face of Indonesian musical.
Yes.
Indeed.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree.
But expect something different from Gabriel Harfianto.
Oh, so it's not going to
Yeah.
be the usual Gabriel Harfianto that we see.
Yeah.
He's gonna be wearing a mustache.
Yeah, he's gonna be wearing a
He's going to be wearing a mustache. Wow. He's going to be the evil character in
The evil
in the
character.
musical as well.
Yeah.
And Tan is a newcomer.
Yes.
So you guys had a casting session, or
Yeah.
how
Yeah,
did
yeah,
it
yeah.
happen?
We found him from Instagram.
Yeah,
actually.
we approached him from
Yeah,
Instagram,
yeah.
but
Oh, okay.
he also did a casting. We found a lot of people from
Instagram.
Instagram. Yeah,
We open cast.
and when open casted.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, and a lot of people responded. I mean, that's a
Yeah.
good sign, right?
Yeah.
That's a good sign.
People are very excited about it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tell us about the ticket. The last time the last time they were here, we were talking about the musical Lutung Kasarung.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
And which went quite viral, and
Yeah.
people could find the tickets also through their Instagram. So
Yeah.
now, how does it work? If people wants to go about and find out about the musical, the tickets and everything, where are the informations?
The information is
It's in our Instagram.
Instagram, we got
Ekidance
Ekidance
Dance
Company.
Company.
Okay.
And you can buy the tickets at
Book My Show.
bookmyshow.id.
Yeah. And
Okay.
actually, we have a promo.
Yes.
Buy one,
Oh.
get one.
Buy one, get one.
21st and 22nd, I think. Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
at
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
21st and 22nd.
So
We
today?
buy one
So
get one
it's
only
today.
for Friday show.
Oh, it's today. Today
Yes,
it's
it's today.
Today,
It's the
yeah.
last
the
For
promo.
Yeah.
Friday show. I mean,
Okay.
like for
Great.
only for
Good
the
thing,
Friday
good
show.
thing you're in the morning show.
Yeah.
Still have a lot of time.
It's planned.
Buy one,
I
get
don't know
one.
why.
Amazing.
It's like
Right. So tell us the range of the pricing
Yeah.
for the ticket as well.
Very cheap. Very cheap.
very cheap because we want to reach more bigger
Audience.
audience.
Yeah.
Okay.
More people to come. This started from 100,000.
100,000, which is
bronze.
Yeah.
There's two classes, up
Okay.
and bottom.
Yeah.
The bronze
Yeah.
is 100 and 150, and there is
Yeah.
200 for the silver, 300 for the gold, and 500 for the platinum.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you're wondering about Indonesian musicals, this is one of the chance that you can access that information and see for yourself how Indonesian musicals performs here in Jakarta as well. So the Instagram is at Ekidance Company,
Yes.
Yes.
and people can access there, and also
Okay.
at Book My Show
Yes.
for those information as well to
Alright.
find out.
Yeah.
So everything you've shared so far is very exciting, and as we know, Ekidance Company, whenever you throw a show, it's always sold out,
Yeah.
it's always viral, always talk of the town. But in case there are people out here who are uninitiated and they're seeing for the first time and they want to see this musical, how would you encourage them? Why is this story important for people to see, and why do you want to tell the story of these women in your anthology?
No, because these stories are actually very dark and very depressing, but we don't tell it
Okay.
that way.
Yeah.
We tell it
Disclaimer, yeah.
disclaimer, yeah, we don't tell it that way. We tell it it's still in an entertaining way. But I feel like the harsh reality is these stories are still happening right now. Probably the bullying, the child trafficking, and I think we make this musical because we want people to open their eyes and to raise awareness that these stories, and if a lot of people care about it, that we can stop it. So I feel like
Okay.
that's why it's important.
So it's important to keep this issue in conversation so people talk about it.
Yeah.
So if you can break down into these two musicals, the Cerita Anya is it's a horror musical.
Yes.
There's scene about bullying and killing as well, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
Right?
You didn't give out any spoilers there.
No.
Okay.
And then what else? What are the issues for Cerita Anya?
Yeah,
Yeah,
bullying.
basically that's it. The bullying.
Probably abuse.
Abuse.
Yeah,
we,
sexual abuse.
We try to see it in another way.
Yeah.
See in bullying in another way. I mean, like bullying is like a circles of like people bullying to the others and the others are bullying to the others. So
Okay.
it's like a circle.
It's like a
of-
jungle, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It
yeah,
doesn't
yeah.
end.
Bullied people will bully,
Bully
others.
others.
Yeah,
Exactly.
yes,
Yeah,
yes,
okay.
yes.
Alright.
So
I
like we
mean-
create this kind of violence.
And it's very
culture is good.
relatable to
Yeah.
young people nowadays.
yeah.
Yes,
So
yes.
how would you tap into that to make sure that you truly portray what the younger generation are now experiencing
Yes.
in their daily lives?
So I'm recalling to my days when I'm in high school.
When you were
when you were in, when I were
Were you
in,
bullied
when
in
I was
high
in high
school?
school. Yeah.
Were
so,
you bullied in high school?
Were you the perpetrators?
no, I'm not. So in high school, there's like a social hierarchy, right?
Right.
So I'm recalling the time when I was in high school and how was the social hierarchy was like, and where would Anya be there?
Oh.
So
And where would
Where would Anya be?
Yeah.
Anya would be in like the second layer.
The second layer.
Gang,
So the first layer is Farah, the
Farah, the
Yeah,
popular
Farah.
kid, and then the bottom layer is like Bobby, the nerd one, and
Okay.
Anya is like the second layer who is kind of invisible, but everyone knows her as well, you know.
Right.
And I feel like Anya is in the wrong place and the wrong time.
Right.
Yeah. So I'm recalling the time when I was in high school, and there is some kind of bullying when I was in high school. So that's how I make it really
Yeah.
good.
But it's still fresh, I'm sure, because your high school was like, what, 3 years ago?
Oh, what a line. That's amazing.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So the character Anya is it's quite interesting because you're playing the character as a human being, but
Yeah.
also as someone who's not human anymore.
Yeah.
Right?
Oh yeah.
As it
How
goes.
is it different?
Tell us about the complexity and how did you do the research, the gesture, the expression to transcend these
Yeah.
basically two different characters.
Actually, it's more fun being a ghost.
Oh.
Because ghosts have no boundaries, right? Yeah, I can do as crazy as I
Yeah,
want.
they got nothing to lose,
yeah,
right?
I got nothing to lose when
You're dead already.
Yeah, dead already.
So it's quite liberating in a way as an actor that you can do
So for the ghost,
whatever.
no research, you know?
No research.
Just
Just be myself.
How did you know how to be a ghost? I am a ghost.
So yeah. The harder part is for the human part, the
Right.
Anya part. So I
Okay.
have to do research like what would Anya's gesture be, and then watch a lot of high school movies.
Oh, okay.
And then is Anya an introvert or an extrovert?
Yeah.
Okay.
I find out about that, and when I was a ghost, I was like, unleash.
Okay.
What is also interesting is this musical that has been performed before, the Cerita Anya, is under the title of Bangku Kosong,
Yeah.
and Anya was there as well for sure. But now in this new Cerita Anya, we all seen the rehearsal and everything. The Anya character also has developed into something that is a bit different from the
Yeah.
character before.
Yeah.
Right?
Do you notice
Yeah,
it?
yeah.
So,
Yeah.
tell us more about how you change sort of this character. I mean, I'm sure you both work together. I mean, you're the director, and
yeah.
you know. So,
Yeah.
was this plan to change the character a little bit, or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, my brief to Nala was like, now for Anya, when she's a human, just be a regular person. And I was like, that's the hardest brief.
The regular person.
Just be a regular person. Like for Farah, I want Farah to be this. For Choki, Farah's boyfriend, I want you to be just like a very handsome person. And, but for Anya, it's like just a regular person.
Like how?
Which must be quite hard for you because you're special, right? So yeah, tell us about how you make the change.
I discussed a lot with Ara, and I searched for references from other
High school
movies, and then it helps a lot that the Bobby character, the Gary Gerardo's character, also changed.
That's true. Yeah.
Every character changed.
Yeah. So
Okay.
I just respond to them. Yeah. So based on that references and how will Anya respond to them. So
Okay.
that makes the character.
Now, I'm just curious, through your research and your acting in this role, what did you learn about bullying, about being the victim of bullying that
Yeah.
you would love to spread around as a message?
Yeah. So I think be careful of what you say to others. Yeah. So because we don't know what it will affect, how it will affect them. So
Yeah.
in this, I
It's
think.
your line, right?
Yeah,
that create this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Somehow it's Anya's line that create all this mess somehow.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So you're not exactly a protagonist then.
In some ways.
Who's actually the
yeah.
protagonist of the story? What do you
Yeah,
think?
yeah,
And that's my question. I mean, all
Yeah.
characters are quite layered. So
Okay.
Yeah.
yeah. Because
Because-
if Pak Topan didn't see the ghost, maybe the story never happened also.
But because me as the bullier, I feel like me as the bully. I feel like I bully because I'm so insecure also.
You're being intimidated
Intimidated
by
by Anya.
yeah.
So actually, it's very complex. Yeah, bullying.
Okay,
Very
so a lot
complex.
of nuance, yeah?
Yeah.
Characters.
So you guys also work with ballet dancers, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah,
Yes,
Cecilia from
Ballet.
Cecilia Ballet School.
Tell us about the dancing. I mean, Eki is a dance company, right?
Yes.
And you know, and here you guys are working also with other dance company. Is it?
We have the same ballet teacher.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So Mbak
Mbak Ade.
Ade, Mbak Ade is our ballet teacher. We do ballet every morning. But she also has a school.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Which is Cecilia Ballet.
Cecilia Ballet. And I wanted, because it's very hard to make a horror on stage. How do you make a horror on stage?
Right. At
If-
film, there's a lot of tools that you can
There's
do.
a lot of
right?
tools. You can just
you
change
can do
shots.
editing.
You can do editing. You can. But how on stage? It has to be live. We see people. We see human. We
Right.
cannot cheat that human will suddenly come flying or suddenly go missing or something.
Right.
How do you? Oh, why don't we do it like Naruto? Naruto's
The anime.
Naruto's jutsu is.
Kage Bunshin no Jutsu.
He suddenly has like a lot of body doubles,
Yes.
and it's very intimidating.
Oh.
So Anya, when she's a ghost, she has a lot of bodies,
Yeah.
and
Is
those
the-
people are Cecilia ballet dancers.
Oh.
Yeah.
Because body shape mostly like Nala.
So
Multiply then.
Multiply Nala.
I
That's
imagine
Cecilia ballet.
there's a lot of wigs in the musical as well.
Yes, a lot of wigs.
Same-looking wigs.
Yeah.
And then also there's a lot of stage movement that is quite amazing in these two musicals. At the
Yeah.
Cerita Anya, you guys are using a huge scarlet cloth,
Yes.
right? And then at Cerita Jami, you guys are using LEDs. Tell us-
Moving LEDs.
Moving
Moving
LEDs. Tell us more
Yeah,
about
moving
these
LEDs.
amazing contraptions that you have on the stage.
You just told us.
More detail.
It actually bring headache. You know?
Yes, Mr.
A lot of
Producer.
fights. A lot of fights.
Yeah, a lot of
vibes.
fights. But in the end, yeah, because it's a rerun, we saw it before, and then when we saw it on the stage, it's very amazing.
Yeah. It's like
Spectacular.
What's the headache?
Yeah, what the headache?
the scarlet cloth symbolizes like a pool of blood.
Oh.
A pool of blood, just like a sudden pool of blood like that.
Okay.
And for Cerita Jawi, there's two huge LED screens that keeps on moving around because, well, we see a person like Jami and we assume that she's just like, a person who cleans toilets but in her mind, there's a lot of things going on. There's a lot of trauma, there's a lot of fears and everything. And I think the only way to show it is by film. So Cerita Jami is a crossover between film and musical
So it's kind of
and stage.
sort of like a hybrid because there's a big LED who plays short films as well.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the purpose of
It's the movie
Yes.
inside Jami's
to
mind.
propel the story, so
Right.
you
Yeah.
don't have to.
At Cerita Jami, you have daughters.
One daughter,
One
but
daughter
two actors.
played by two actors.
Yes.
Tell us
Yeah.
more about these two actors.
These two actors tell us more about this.
So actually, the small one,
Yeah.
Leah, is the daughter of our sound engineer.
Oh, and
Yeah.
Leah is under
Leah
10
is-
years old, or
Yeah, she's like
She's
six.
5 years. She's 5.
Six.
Six,
Oh, wow,
Yeah.
so
6 years
young.
old.
So young.
But-
So young.
And then
older one, the teenage Mina, my daughter, is called Karen.
Karen.
We kind of discovered Karen. We have Eki every summer. Eki has like a summer camp for we teach musicals, and we discovered Karen there, and a lot of other children, but. We auditioned from the people in the camp, but actually we think Karen is the right fit. But I'm the mother. Karen is very
Chinese.
She's very Chinese. So it's like, I'm the mother. How do you? So we made it just like Jami has an affair with a Chinese man.
Okay.
Who's in the film played by
Karen's father.
Karen's real father.
Karen's real father.
And also,
Wow,
Karen
that's an
has
Easter egg.
Karen has a boyfriend also, and his name is
It's
Danny.
Danny.
in this
Also,
musical.
we found him in the summer.
And your daughter is also in the musical as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. As the bully.
That's my daughter's
Yeah.
bully.
She has only one line, and she's very proud.
As it should
She's so
be.
funny.
As it should be.
It's
proud of
amazing
that.
musicals. Once again, we'd like to remind you to get the tickets. Go to the Instagram Eki Dance,
Yes.
Eki Dance Company.
Eki Dance Company, and also book my show.
Yes.
And search for Perempuan Punya Cerita. Once again, it's going to be on stage September
4 to 7.
4 to 7, and tickets varied from 100,000 to 500.
So
Yes.
500.
Yes.
And for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we have 2 shows
Okay.
Yeah.
in the evening, 2 o'clock and 7 o'clock.
Okay. And
Great.
today, on the 22nd of August, there's a promo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The
Buy one, get one.
Buy one, get
And
one.
today.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much,
Thank you
guys,
so much,
for
guys.
dropping
Thank you.
by.
Yes.
Always great to have you
Yes.
here.
Yes. All the best for the preparations and for the upcoming shows.
Yes.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much.